Hello, everyone. Today we have new lesson. We have CVC words. Short A sound. Lesson 1, phonics with Miss Rani. Let's get started. CVC words. C is for consonant, V is for vowel, and C is for consonant. 3 letters. CVC words, only 3 letters. The first word here, cat. K-a-t, cat. Mat. A-t, a-t. Mat, mat. Bat. B-a-t, b-a-t. Bat, bat. Jam. J-a-m, j-a-m. Jam, jam. Pan. P-a-n, p-a-n. Pan, pan. V-a-n, v-a-n. Van, van. N-a-p, n-a-p. Nap, nap. T-a-p, t-a-p. Tap, tap. R-a-g, r-a-g. Rag, rag. T-a-g, t-a-g. Tag, tag. So now we finish our words today from the short A sound, the CVC words. Inshallah, next video we're gonna learn about the short E sound. See you next video and bye bye.